let's have a look then. Whole park. It's supposed to be a meet here, ladies and gents. Oh, rather nice escort there. Oh, very nice. Okay. Norton. This is nice. Any sports bikes here? No. Very nice. Okay. No idea. That is one of the cleanest ZX9rs I've seen in a while. Talk about being clean. Wow.
Good, isn't it?
Yeah, it's one of the cleanest ones I've seen in a long time.
You want to about your hugger?
Yeah, I can understand where you're coming from now.
You just want to go underneath it.
Yeah.
Over it.
It's a bit tight as well, your one. It's completely different, isn't it?
Yeah. 2005.
Wow.
Yeah.
So
Just
what?
keep on top of it, like.
Is it alright to sit on it, yeah?
Yeah. No problem.
I gotta be careful with this. Oh, look at that, that's gorgeous. I love this.
You see, all the same as yours, aren't they? More or less.
All the switches,
Interchangeable.
everything interchangeable, isn't it? I suppose you've got that set up for yourself, haven't you? Did you paint this yourself, is it?
Pardon?
Did you paint this yourself?
No, it's all original. The only thing I've painted myself is I had the forks off, so
Yeah.
then put new seals in them.
Okay.
So I go to the top, I sprayed all the forks off.
Okay.
And I sprayed the front wheel, you get the aerosols, and I'm made up
Of
to match
course.
the colour.
Of course, yeah.
No, it's all, don't talk about aerosol cans.
It's all skill though, isn't it?
Oh, I'm not a sprayer, I've never done it before. It's preparation. If
Preparation.
Preparation's good.
Exactly,
And it's-
preparation, bit of time. And you know what, you can work wonders. And look at it, it looks immaculate. So what's your riding history then? What's your riding history then? How long have you been riding for?
Well, first bike ever was an old BSA, C15 250, and I was 19, took time out for a few years, so I couldn't got back on the bike again. CG125, yeah. And
Two-stroke, you know what, you can't beat the old two-strokes.
and I had a 250 Kawasaki,
Okay.
I had a 600. I had that for 4 years.
So you've been kind of a Kawasaki man then?
Well, good bikes.
Can't beat them, can you?
Never let you down.
They don't let you down.
Quality's there.
And plus, I mean, for the price as well, I mean, there are a lot of bikes for the money.
You could pick up really cheap.
Well, now, yeah.
But the ones you do say cheap are really tacky. I don't know how
Well,
it works with them.
Yeah, it's just, you pay for what you get, isn't it?
Yeah.
But the power is there, performance is there. Reliability, everything. I mean, this thing is quick, isn't it? It must be quick.
Yeah. Go get your revs up, because once your revs are there,
Really jealous of people who didn't know Germany and Denmark. They can get there very
Gorgeous, man. I gotta look at that one as well. So Yamaha,
down here, John, don't want to drop off, mate.
bit of a story with this one then. I mean, you brought it for what, £100? Wow. So what was it? Did you need work or?
Yes, it's had a few bits done to it, so...
It's £100. Wow, what a bargain. I dare to ask though, I don't want to be rude, but how much have you spent on it then, refurbing
Probably
it?
another couple £100, yeah.
Oh, that's not too bad then.
No,
It's not the end of the world. But you know what, it's another bike that you don't really see as much now, do you? It's beautiful.
The same as it's online. It's not all right, John.
Yeah, the bulletproof, been making them for...
Oh, I was gonna say, where we put the key in on the side, isn't it? Yeah. Is it alright to start it up?
Yeah.
Just listen to it. Okay. Ooh. How long have you had it for then?
About 6 months now.
Wow. Can't believe that. You bought it for 100 quid. Wow. That's like back in the days, that is, isn't it?
Yeah, you don't. I've just been talking with another gal down there. She had one zipper, so you know she's done better than me.
Wow.
So, you know.
Well, then again, you just look there, and if someone's gifted it to you, and you find something cheap. Oh wow. That's how it was like when you bought it. Wow. So it needed quite a bit of work doing to it then, just to get it up and running.
Good clean, really.
Service and a few little bits and bobs.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fuel filter and stuff, and
Well, you got yourself bargain of the century there. That's probably the cost of my fuel on that ZX9.
Yeah.
It's so thirsty.
It is if you're working hard.
Well, let's not talk about the working on them there.
Yeah.
But yeah, look at them. They're both gorgeous. Both different as well. And look at the ZX. Yeah, just listen to that. Oh my god. Let it out. Wow, what a nice bike. What a lovely bike. Raises it.
Yeah.
That's clever, though, isn't it? I was thinking that.
Yeah, clever. It's another thing from China. This is. Oh wow, this is cool. This is. Like,
Where is it based?
oh, I'm by Stetchford.
Here.
Stetchford.
Okay. Sorry, yeah.
Yeah. Just think that one.